Hi, this is my new dance, titled As If Rain. It is a nightclub with 32 counts and 2 wall, it has 1 tag and 2 restarts. Let's begin section 1, facing 12 o'clock. Step forward on right foot and make a half turn left, sweeping left foot backwards. Weave to your right on 2 and 3, sweep your right forward. Cross right foot over left, step left to side, and start bending both knees, touching right next to left. Step right to side on 6, back rock on left on 7. Recover weight on right and step left to side. Section 2. Touch right behind left and unwind, 3/4 right turn, changing weight to right. Step alongside step to left. Begin a nightclub basic with a 3/4 right turn, on right foot, on count 4 and 5. Weight remain on right. Shuffle forward on left on 6 and 7. Pivot half turn left, stepping forward on right, recover weight on left, continue another half turn left to begin section 3, then weave to right. Face 130. For count 4 and 5, make a chase half turn left. Count 6 and 7, make a reverse 1 and 3 8 right turn, by stepping left back on first half turn, step right forward on second half then hitch left into a 3 8 right turn. Step left to side on 8 and drag right towards left. Section 4, step right forward and pivot half turn left, changing weight to left. Follow on with a right rocking chair, on 3 and 4 end. Last 4 counts, step right forward and start turning 1/4, to right sweeping left forward. Weave to right on 6 and 7 hitching right. For the last 2 steps, step right behind left and make a 1/4 turn left by stepping left forward. This is the end of the dance. Let's do all sections in counts. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and. Now, you will begin wall 2, facing 6 o'clock. Few things to take note. After wall 2, when you face 12 o'clock, do a 2 count tag before you start wall 3. The 2 counts is just a rock forward on right and recover on left. Let's do the last 2 steps of wall 2 and continue the tag. 8 and 1, 2. Start wall 3. First restart. After 28 counts of wall 4 and restart. Let's do wall 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. Restart wall 5. Second restart happens on wall 5. After 24 counts, restart to do wall 6. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Restart wall 6. That's all for the restarts. Ending for last wall, facing 6 o'clock. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6. 7, 8. End. Touch right behind left, and curtsy. That's all. Hope you like this dance.